Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to teach you how you can make 3 columns for your documents on Google Docs. So let us get started right away. So head over to document on Google Docs, and as you can see I prepared a document with a column here to the left and one to the right. So that text here features 2 columns, and I would like to add, for example, a part to that document with 3 columns, one to the left, one in the center, one to the right. This is how you can do it, guys. It is very simple. Over your mouse where you'd like to place these 3 columns, so let me go to that line here. After that, add a table by clicking on Insert View at the top. Hover your mouse over table, and here to the right you will see the size of the table, like for example 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 1. And for the sake of this tutorial, guys, we are going to use a 3 by 1 table, because that table should feature 3 columns, and that's basically it. So now you will see that table here, so fill it with text 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, text 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah. And what you want to do next, guys, is make sure that you get rid of that table border here. To do that, simply right click on one of these borders and click into table options here, and after that expand the color feature here on the right hand side under table options, and here on the table borders select the border thickness. It should be on 1 pt on default, and switch to 0 pt so that technically that table border disappears. So let me close these table options, and there you go. Now you have 1 column here. You may switch to the next line and do the same with the next column, switch to the next line, skip to the next line, and so on and so forth, and keep filling your table or your columns with content and text. And that's how you add or make 3 columns in Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.